Introducing the Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum, your ultimate cleaning companion with its tri-brush system. It tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease on any surface. Connect seamlessly through Wi-Fi and control your cleaning schedule from anywhere using the Shark Clean app. With a remarkable 120 minutes runtime, it ensures a thorough clean every time. It's as simple as that. Works with Alexa for hands-free convenience. Multi-surface cleaning capability ensures no corner is left untouched. Experience the power of Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum. Effortless cleaning, every time.